In this video, I'll show you guys a simple fixes to stop shattering and smooth out FPS drops in DirectX 12 games on any PC. All you have to do is go to search menu and type exploit protection. Click on open it. Go to program setting, select add program and choose exit file path and navigate to the game folder. Once you are in the game folder, select the dx12.exe. If the game doesn't have a separate DirectX doll executable like game underscore dx12.exe, you should select the main launcher executable example game.exe that actually starts the game and then select open option. Now scroll down. You can able to see control flow guard. Check mark this override system setting. Turn this off and select this apply to save changes and select yes option. And now close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your shattering problem will be fixed, guys. This solution helped for lots of people on Reddit. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.